Mother's Day, but first I want to start with saying this poem does represent all of the kids from the church. And we are very lucky, us kids were very lucky to have moms that have a heart like Christ and that lead us to Christ. Because, you know, when we're all young, we're forced to go to church because we're still kids. But now I want to come to church. I enjoy coming to church. And I want to thank my mom for that because she's one of my biggest role models. She leads me to Christ. And I just want to be more like her because I can see Christ through her. So. Thank you, Mom, but also thank you all of the other mothers for leading your children to Christ and bringing them to church almost every Sunday. Dear mothers in this church, we see when you're in pain and we see when you're hurt. Your hard work pays off, even if it doesn't seem like it, because your children are very grateful even if they don't verbalize it. Good mothers are a precious gift sent to us from above. They take care of us and they give us all of their love. Not every child has a loving mother, so it is a blessing to have mothers with a Christ-like heart. God sees everything you do, so when you feel discouraged, remember that the most important being in your life sees you. He understands you. And everything you guys have done for your family, countless blessings he shall give you. As we celebrate Mother's Day, let's acknowledge the hard things they do for us every day. Yes, they cook, they clean, they pay for our things, but most importantly, they take care of our well-being. They love us so deeply that their love is unconditional. So let's show them the same love they showed us so they feel cared for. Dear mothers, we know it's hard sometimes and it can feel exhausting, but your effort is very meaningful. Us children are glad you still keep it pushing. Done.
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ጌታ ይባረክ ከክንድ ኩላትና ሕጂ ከኩላትና ተዓቢ አደ نخبران فتوان أمونغن الله كند كلاتنا ما زرس دما جفت خنباينا ماما مازيت أفزخت متيح أملاخي مسكة سوم بروخي خون እግዚአብሔር ተባረኹ ብሩኻትኩን ዘዕምባባ ኣነ እኳ ተተቐበልኩሲ ሓደ ነገር ሒዛ ምስ ትመጻብ ገዛ እቶም ደቅኻ ተካፍሎም እያ ስለዚ ኩልኻትክን ከም ተቐበልኩ ነው ሕሰቦ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ብደቅ ንስትዮ ኣሕዋትና መራሕቲ ተዳሊብ ጌታ ባረኽክን ኣምላኽ ይመስገን أبلبنا بزح سفر لك معزيتي مالتيو ويتبارك بكل نجار أبغوننا سلزخونكي زيابير باركي طرف زمنك خا عناخي يوتكي كلنا سلام ناي بركت نحجوسكي زيك برلكي ويتباركي